They said that Nigeria police chairman where they call PSC don't call outside unknown government say abeg o make una stop they make their wives widow. No be small thing no. He said that they radio to talk say enough is enough, make they no do again. As that one they happen they say one Biafra liberation army don't come outside come bring some voice note when they talk issue of those people wey go join other camp where they call arrest. It explain many things for this video where I go play you now. However, I'm gonna go find out how this thing take happen. Hello my wonderful people, welcome back to Balabas Gist. If not today that the first time where they come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. We are here today to bring you Ogbonge news as it dey hot. Like my people, let's quickly jump into this Ogbonge news. They say that one of Nigeria police, whether they call PSC, they say the man don't call outside, they'll say I beg, say they be their friend and they be human being like them. If they talk to unknown government, say I beg, make they know they make their wives widow. Say a lot of police don't buy for inside Southeast. So as that one they happen, now I can't tell them say in they ready to talk of anything. Say may they know they buy police people again. No be small thing. As that one they happen, they say one of Biafra liberation army don't come outside. Come clarify the video, the viral video where they go everywhere right now. Say that thing where they see for there, he say na cook work. I say those people where they go carry na innocent people where they hungry to fight for their fatherland, and so they carry all of them. They say they reach up to 100 and something. Go carry them, put for inside Nigeria security hand, and they come they bring those people come outside. They say the main people say they no fit touch them. However, we will play you the video. May you watch. May not be like say now with the talker for our own mouth. Let's watch the video together before we come back and continue.
Truthful people. When we say we are not violent, does not mean that we should run away from when people decided to bring violence into our land. Now that they want baking. But before this time, I've told them, if you can go back to my previous brokers, I've told them that don't bring war that you cannot stay alive to fight finish. I've told them this. Now that I think that they can come and blaspheme us, they think that they can come and then lie on our head, they think that they can come and propaganda anything and we will keep quiet. I am on the ground. I will tell you everything that is happening in the land of Biafra precisely in old Imo State, known as Okigwe State, Owerri State, and Olu State. Okay? So when you are talking nonsense, know that there are somebody known as Holy Ghost under the command of General Butuzo that are here to debunk your garbage. Okay? I've been mute for some time now. Some of you, many of you have been coming online. Those of you that have access to my DM, asking me that you want to hear my voice, that it have been long. Sometimes I did not see it necessary because of the duty to come up and update you. But these very lies pop me up. Then I say I must give you updates. What are the lies and the propaganda by the Nigerian government? I've seen a video trending that 30 prime minister known as Mazi Simon Ekpa boys have been arrested in Mbise. And they display the gun and the bullet then display many AK and a pump and bullet and Biafran flag and then our face mask and a hand glove. You know? Hey, God. And they say 30 have been prehended or comprehended or for the benefit of those who are not learned. They say they have captured 30 of Biafra Liberation Army soldiers that are in their custody. And a lot of people have been coming to my DM to ask me question. Oga, see wetin we show. Is it true? Please, is it true? I didn't want to respond to you because you have sense. You're supposed to send what is true and what is lie. And that is why I purposely titled this very morning broadcast as May You Receive Sense. I know that the zoo have really damaged your sense because in the zoo now suffering and smiling. When you see black, even though you know that this thing is black, but when you look at yourself that there's nothing you can do, if somebody come and tell you, say, this thing are white, you will just say, well, no problem, now white. That is a condition the white man condition you to be with the cooperation of Hausa and Fulani and Yoruba. But I want to put it straight to you that those things are propaganda. Okay? They are propaganda. Before I start that, I want you to listen to something first. Before I start to debunk them one after the other. Listen to this.
The 160 something.
Where then deceive them, say they won't carry them, go come.
Yes.
By chaplain.
Echi gather all of them. Carry them there. Say
Obi this Chukwe. Obi this Chukwe.
Na Navy commander. Ezemo Navy. If you say Ezemo or Shibike, you know the person what they talk.
Okay, Ezemo but know the person.
Yes, Ezemo but no. I don't complain and tell them before.
He can carry how many men?
160 something men.
Say he won't carry them. Say he won't carry them go camp.
Yes, he won't carry them go Sapele camp. Now they go start. They will launch Biafra soldier, something like that. Now what in talk? I can't call some people and say no flow this man. No flow this man. When I know what him do before. Now I'm not doing the plan again. So that's why I talk that guy now. That's why I tell them it don't happen to them. And then he come back. He didn't know we at the patrol. He didn't know we at the patrol.
And when I live and making the patrol, when I know if go carry and follow kill him.
Now what you would plan on Monday?
In carry now what you plan on Monday? Certain people go hand over them to
and the soldier.
Ebubakwa and soldier. Let me tell you this. For their whitest dream, they can never arrest PLA, alias Biafra Liberation Army, with their weapon. Do you understand what I'm telling you? They display weapon where they carry from their colleagues put there. Now ask them question. Have you ever, upon all the war where you they come in Olu and Okigwe and Oweri, have you ever captured even one soul? So those people, then they craze for them to just, okay, then be stick. Then just carry weapon, where bullet they inside. Wait for you, you can't capture 30 of them. That is why I say, may you receive sense as a Biafra. Some of you that were asking me that rubbish question, I didn't want to respond to you, but so that the zoo government will not say that since nobody respond to them, that is the truth. That is why I'm responding these very brokers, doing these very brokers now. And that is why I'm titling it, May You Receive Sense. May you receive sense. What happened? It's true that some saboteurs within us steal our property in Owerri. Our face mask, they even steal our uniform, because I want you to know that one of these days you go see them wearing Liberation Army uniform to go and commit crime in order to damage or to do propaganda against us. I'm telling you this in advance because it will soon happen. The saboteur among us stole our uniform from Owerri camp and face masks and other things, and go and hand over to the Nigerian terrorist forces. Now, that is the first part, part 1. I call that one as part 1. Part 2, in Anambra State, about 100 and something men were deceived that there is a camp going on, recruitment going on in p0l camp, that all those young boys who want to fight and defend their motherland should follow them by the name they call Otuekwe. So those who does not have sense, believe me, we have been telling you that there is no recruitment. Anybody who call you say they are doing Biafra recruitment, oh, you are your own. We have enough men. There are enough men on ground. We will never come and call you to come and recruit you. Not lie. We have enough men on ground. And these young men, about 100 and something, stupidly joined them. And that was how then hand over them to Ebubaku and Àrmy. About 100 and something, oh, no weapon. And Soludo now hand over 50 of them to Hope Uzolima. As I'm talking to you now, those of them who doesn't want to appear in that show, where then they do, because they're acting skip, they were killed. Many of them have already died now, as I'm talking to you now. So few of them now were gathered to present them as Biafra Liberation Army. Do you understand me now? And Àrmy and Ebubaku was voluntarily donate their weapon to display there, to show, to convince you and the world that these are the weapons they collect from them. These are the men. Look at all those men that sampled there. Did any of them wound? Is it what they did not know is that by the time they do what they do, they did not know we are behind them. How can you go to battle somebody? The person you are battling with, he did not sustain injury. He did not sustain wound. He did not sustain bruise. He did not. Now before. Why journalists in Nigeria are always evil like this? Brand envelope journalism. Nigeria is gone. Nigeria can never wake up again. If your mind is still telling you that one day Nigeria will resurrect from this death, you are deceiving yourself. Nigeria are gone and gone forever. Nigeria can never wake up. Ever ever again. Let me tell you, you see this war, we go fight till the end. You people are beginning to bake. You are baking. But I'm telling you that there is no amount of baking you will bake us that will make us to cease fire or stop this war. Because I warned you earlier that don't start what you cannot finish. You are baking. That we are making so many Nigeria forces to get widow. Their wife are now widow. We are friends. Who tell you? Our fathers has never been your friend. Neither should we, the children, be your friends. You are our enemy. Now and forevermore, you will remain our enemy. Even when Biafra is restored, you are our enemy. Person like me, if I see you in the street of Biafra, if I look, I don't see anybody, and I see Yoruba, see outside in Biafra land. When I don't look, I don't see person. Who go sue me? I kill you. I'm telling you my own. Pump and play. Even when Biafra is restored, you will remain my enemy forever and ever. You think we are joking? Do you think I'm joking? You get to understand that you have made so many women widows, and make so many men widowers, and make so many children motherless, and make so many children fatherless, and make so many people brotherless and sisterless. And now you are begging for pity. Have you forgotten that it is what you sow that you will reap? You must reap what you sow. In this life, you must reap what you sow. You cannot sow plantain or cassava and you are expecting to go and reap yam or beans. It does not happen. Who does that? That thing where you sow, you must reap them. Where are we? We are in the land of Biafra.
Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back. As you have watched that video, no be smart, you know, say you don't hear am from this Biafra Liberation Army. As he talk am, he say make they know they talk lie. You say that one no be waiting, no be as it take happen. So now so it take happen. Now I can't they talk for this video. However, I want make you leave your own contribution for this video where you don't watch, and also share the video and make sure say this video go viral so other people go know wetin they go on. No, a lot of kata dey now, so they talk. Yeah, my people, we'll quickly see you for the next update, and we'll talk for comment section. Make sure say you give this channel a follow, and if you watch from YouTube, make sure say you subscribe to our YouTube as well. Turn your notification bell so at any time when we upload, you will be the first person we're going to get our update for the both side. If you set your notification bell, vote for YouTube and for Facebook, so at any time when we upload, you will be the first person we're going to get our update. Okay, my people, we'll see you for the next update.